Hello guys, in today's episode of Short Blender Tips I'm gonna show you how to make a bevel of just the outer edge of an object. So first of all, Shift A, mesh cylinder, rotate it 90 degrees and scale it, make it a little bit bigger. Now Ctrl A, all transforms. Now edit mode, press number 2. Then Z and wireframe. Holding Shift, select both of the faces. Now select insert faces. Now you can bridge them to make a tube. Z, solid. Now all transforms once again. Now select the bevel. Press number 2 on your keyboard and holding Alt, select an edge. And now you can bevel however you want. You can make more bevels or less, whatever you like. Anyways, thank you for watching, I hope you have a wonderful day and see you next time.